Dear civil engineers, as an engineer we should know about the process of ceiling plastering. Okay, so in this lecture I am just discussing about that. First of all, we have to chipping our roof so that it creates a good bonding with our ceiling and with our newly adjusted plastering. Okay, so after completing our chipping we have to create some grouting so that we can use that one chipping. Okay, so what is the effect of that? It will create a good bonding with our that paste will create a good bonding with our plaster and with our ceiling. After that, when our grouting is okay, now we have to go for our material mixing. Okay, so here you are seeing that sand and cement are mixing, and must remember that sand should be you have to remove aggregate from that sand anyway. Okay, and after completing that process, when that process will complete, after that we have to add we have to mix that sand and cement uniformly, and after that we have to add water on it. And after completing the mixing, we'll go for our final text. And you're seeing here they are mixing that materials uniformly to make a good mortar. And when it's done, okay, when it will be okay, after that we'll go for our next work. And after mixing that properly, we have to create a hole and we'll put order on it as per our requirement. Okay, and must remember that your sling plastering materials should be more accurate. Water mixing process should be more accurate. Okay, so after completing water mixing, we will mix that material. And you are seeing here they are mixing that water. Okay, actually this is the hand mixing process for village construction work. And when it's okay, when our materials is ready, now we have to use this grouting, okay, to create weight our chipping. So here on our sling they are giving that grouting so that it's create a good bonding with it, and you're seeing that they are doing it perfectly. When it will be complete, okay, when total chipping total grouting process will be complete, after that it should lay for 20 to 30 minutes, okay, to done it for little bit dry. And when it will be okay, then the worker will use that mortar on sling. Okay, so here they have added mortar on that sling, and after adding mortar or that plastering materials on sling, then when it will be actually complete, then they will wait for certain time. Okay, they will wait for certain time, and after that they will start finishing it just like that. And you can see that there have some defect, and they will add some materials on it, and again they will complete their task. Actually this is the process, and in this way, okay, in this way a complete sling plastering work will be done. And when it will be okay, then they will go for final finishing, and after that we have to add the sealer, and we'll go for when it will be totally dry, then we'll go for plastering work. So this is the process. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video, and if you're new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel.